Hey there. If you've ever wanted your WordPress post to look cleaner and timeless, today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off dates on posts fast and easy. By the end of this guide, your blog will focus entirely on your content without visitors getting distracted by publication dates. First, open your web browser and go to your WordPress website. Once you're there, click the login button at the top right corner of the screen. For a quick and secure login, I recommend using Continue with Google, then choose your account to access your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head to your post section. Click on it to open the post management page where you'll see all your blog entries listed. Up at the top right corner, look for the screen options button and click on it. This is your control center for customizing what appears in your post table. Inside screen options, find the toggle labeled date. Simply turn it off. That's it. No more dates cluttering your posts. Once you've disabled the date display, hit apply to save your changes. You'll immediately see a cleaner post list with the focus entirely on your content. Turning off post dates not only improves the look of your site, but it also makes your content feel evergreen. Visitors will engage with your post without worrying about when they were published. And that's all it takes. By logging in, navigating to posts, opening screen options, disabling the date, and applying your changes, your WordPress site now has a polished, timeless look. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick WordPress tips.